Thank you, everybody. We've had a wonderful start to the morning, especially with the Honorable Minister gracing the occasion. I'd like to begin the vote of thanks by thanking him. He has left us earlier, but a big thanks to the Honorable Minister, Mr. Jaiswal, for being here. I met His Excellency the Ambassador of the Czech Republic and His Excellency the Ambassador of Senegal. Thank you very much for taking out time and exploring possibilities of exchange with India, which is set to play a leadership role on the world stage, and education is going to be the key drivers of this change, along with entrepreneurship. And in my vote of thanks, I'm going to just talk a little bit about what I feel all of you can take, should take from this 3-day conference and deliberation. Big thanks to Mr. Vinay Rai, Chairman, National Council on Education, ASSOCHAM, Shri Marinder Singh Nair, Co-Chairman, National Council on Education, ASSOCHAM. He's been a really driving force behind organizing this whole thing. As always, Mr. S.S. Chawla, who's always so enthusiastic, but with each and every initiative that ASSOCHAM takes, that it's almost like we are doing a new program every time. He incarnates such an amazing enthusiasm. Fellow panelists, Mr. Tushar Pandey, who's the country head of Yes Bank, the lady Dr. Rachel Davis, for being here, and of course our wonderful MC for this morning, and all of you who've been really very patient, including faculty, professors, academia from universities all over India and many countries abroad, students, young entrepreneurs who've set out their stalls over here to give you a really holistic experience of what all India has to offer in terms of education, online entrepreneurs. So there is a very exciting range available for all of you to look into. I think enough said for what we have to tell you. I think what we need to discuss is what you can take from here. It doesn't matter what kind of collaborations you set up, as long as you set up something. You're here for 3 days. Make sure that you meet each other. Doesn't matter what you do in terms of a little bit of collaboration. Every step is going to go a long way in your unique experience and growth as a university, as a college, as an individual, as an entrepreneur. So take what you can from it and make sure that you formalize it, you follow up on it and do it. More often than not, we meet people, we take back a load of visiting cards with us, and that's where it ends. But let this be a different one. Meet people and ensure you follow up with each other, and it doesn't matter the limitations of what we cannot do. Keeping aside the limitations of policies of different governments, of different institutions, there is still so much that we can do and is possible. And believe me that children, students, whether in schools, whether in colleges, need that displacement. I have studied in universities abroad, in India as well. So I studied in Europe, in London and in Paris. And believe me, what I learned most from was my displacement. The fact that I was studying in a place which was not familiar to me, I didn't know the language, I didn't know the culture, I didn't know the country. For an Indian or for anybody else in the world, this displacement from your comfort zone is what teaches you. And I think we have ample opportunity in this wonderful gathering over here of offering displacement to our students wherever they are, because displacement is what triggers innovative thinking. It makes us think on our feet. It makes us think for survival. It makes us think proactively. I think somebody spoke about developing thinking skills. I think Tushar Pandey spoke about developing thinking skills. And that is the greatest gift any education can give to their students. Develop the thinking ability of children. Then whether they become engineers or doctors or businessmen or academics or anything else, this is like a blood group, the O blood group, which is like a universal donor. So you can apply the thinking skill to anything, and the child will, and the student will grow from strength to strength. So I think in this seminar, the focus we need to do is do whatever little displacement we can do for our students, so that we give a little push and impetus and momentum to developing their thinking skills. On that note, I wish all of you a great 3 days of thought-provoking discussions, contact, and once again, a very big thank you to the August panel on the dais and all of you in the audience. Thank you very much.